Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ready to invest for your future with some great tax advantages? A Roth IRA could be the perfect choice, allowing your investments to grow completely tax-free. And SoFi makes the process incredibly easy to navigate, even if you're new to investing. We'll show you exactly how to get started today, ensuring you feel confident throughout each step. It's a smart move for long-term financial security. Before you dive in, it's good to know the basics of Roth IRA eligibility. You'll need earned income from a job or self-employment to contribute, and there are specific income limits that change annually. For example, if your income is too high, your contribution might be limited or phased out. You'll also need your Social Security number and a linked bank account, so have those ready to simplify the setup. Opening your SoFi Roth IRA is incredibly straightforward. Simply head over to SoFi.com or download their user-friendly mobile app. Once there, navigate to the Invest section and select the option to open an IRA. SoFi will then walk you through a series of easy-to-understand questions about your personal details and financial goals. Just follow the prompts on your screen. Now it's time to fund your new Roth IRA. First, securely link your bank account to SoFi. This allows for easy transfers. You can then choose to make a lump sum contribution or set up convenient recurring deposits, which is often a great strategy for consistent growth. SoFi offers choices too. You can opt for their automated investing, which simplifies things, or manage your investments yourself. Almost done. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered, ensuring everything is accurate. Once submitted, SoFi typically processes applications quite quickly, often within just a few business days. Then, you can start enjoying the incredible long-term benefits of a Roth IRA, like tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. It's a fantastic step towards a secure financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.